Hi guys, welcome to another GoPro accessories video. This is Bench and today we're gonna review this floating hand grip. The design is pretty much the same as the one we reviewed previously, but the advantage of this is this one floats. So whenever you accidentally remove your hand on the hand grip, this one wouldn't sink and your device will just float and then you can just get it again even without the safety cord. So I guess this is very common that it comes with the mount screw. Let's just remove the screw and then let's try to open the mount and then align the holes here. Make sure that it's aligned properly. First, there we go. Apologies. Yeah, it's just really hard to insert. So one moment, guys. There you go. It's in. Make sure that holes are aligned. There you go, guys. It's already properly connected. So the advantage is this one floats compared to the one we previously reviewed. And then there's also the safety cord you can insert. So for example, if you remove your hands accidentally on the pole, your device is still safe. It's just additional security. If, for example, if the current is really strong, then you might have like a hard time retrieving your device. This is just a nice to have. You can adjust it here. And also there's a storage at the back if you want to put maybe money and then keys of your hotel, then you can use this one at the bottom. All right, so let me just test this. I'll just get the pail and then fill it with water and then see if this one really works. So I'm currently filling this pail with water and let's see if it floats and it can handle the weight of the device. It floats. So my hand is already on the pail of water. As you can see here, if I remove my hand, here you go. It works, guys. So there you go, guys. It worked. As you can see, my GoPro is already wet from the accessory test. It passed. It actually floats. It can handle the weight of the GoPro. If you want to get this accessory, I'll just gonna link the shop on the description box below so you can grab one for your GoPro. And thank you so much, guys, for reaching this far. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it to your friends who has GoPro or is planning to buy one. And don't forget to follow me also on Instagram to see real-time updates of our next activities. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much.